is the victory.
Yes. Amen.
That overcomes the world.
Yes.
I've said that in my word. You hear the voice of the Spirit this day. Faith is in you. You've already overcome. There's nothing can stand before you unless you give your consent to it. You stay in my word. You walk in the power of my word. Your victory is assured, and I stand by you. I stand with you, and I'll put you over.
Amen.
There'll be nothing to put you down or slow you up. You'll walk at a different pace. You'll carry your head in a different way. And those around you, they will feel that confidence and that faith. And they'll be drawn to you. They'll ask you, what do you have? Why are you not worried? Why are you not afraid? Why is it that all of your needs just seem to be met? What do you have? Now you be ready to preach me to them. Those things will come.
Yes.
Those things, those opportunities, they will come. You be ready and you be prepared. I've told you in my word. Yes. Be ready to give an answer to those who ask you about your faith and your confidence. You be ready and you speak on my behalf. And I'll anoint what you say, and you'll see my word enter into them. You'll see fear leave their countenance. You'll see rest come upon them. And you'll be the blessing I've called you to be.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. You covered in the blood.
Amen.
You covered in the blood. And you walk in my love. And nothing shall attach itself to you to do you any harm. You walk in the love. You walk in that faith. And you be a glory unto my name. And know that the Spirit of God is so pleased with His children. For this is the divine moment and the hour. Time is nearly gone. The moment cometh when the church will be called away up into the